PitPack system we've been running for about 3 years now. The PitPack have streamlined what we do here at Fast Eddie's. It gives us the ability to stock more oil and dispense it faster and easier.
PitPack has integrated our business by really making it easier on our guys. First, make sure they're getting the right oil because it's plain as day right on the box. It really helps with the cleanliness of the facility and gives us the benefit of not having as many bulk tanks and quart bottles. It frees up some space for other Havoline products. We can do a lot more.
Made it easier for the employees from the standpoint of not having to dump 5 bottles in the car versus a one fill process.
And the customers, I feel like, honestly enjoy seeing the clear bottle oil going in their vehicle. I do like the presentation of the products, and the customers appreciate it. They know they're getting that first class experience by just seeing what the product looks like, seeing how it's displayed. It's neat, it's organized, it's clean, it looks really fresh.
I think the environmental benefits of the PitPack is just all the plastic that we used to throw away. Our trash used to be picked up once a week, and we were probably half full of quart bottles, versus now we have a couple plastic bags in its place. I think the PitPack has really helped us with speed to get the consumer out of the bay quicker to get the next vehicle in to service.